Query successful. Try again without apps. Do you know exactly how much debt you have and, more importantly, how you're going to pay it off? It's a huge question, and for a long time, personal finance apps mostly focused on saving money and canceling subscriptions. But let's be real, for a lot of people, debt management is the biggest piece of the financial puzzle. So, if you're using or considering Rocket Money, the app famous for finding and canceling those forgotten subscriptions, you're probably asking, does Rocket Money actually offer debt tracking? The short answer is yes, but it's helpful to know how it works within the app's overall structure. Rocket Money is designed to give you a comprehensive picture of your finances. When you link your financial accounts, which can include your bank accounts, investments, and loans or credit cards, it pulls all that data together. This is where the debt tracking comes in. Rocket Money includes a feature called the Net Worth Tracker. Your net worth is your total assets minus your total liabilities, which, of course, includes your debt. By linking your credit cards, student loans, car loans, or any other liabilities, the app automatically tracks your balances. It gives you a running total of your debt, showing you how that number changes month over month. This high-level view is crucial for understanding the true scope of your financial situation. But let's talk about a key distinction. Rocket Money is great for tracking your debt balances and how they affect your net worth. It shows you what you owe. However, it's not a dedicated debt payoff planner like some other specialized apps. You won't find built-in tools for setting up the debt snowball or debt avalanche methods, where the app tells you exactly which debt to pay next based on amount or interest rate. Think of it this way, Rocket Money is your financial dashboard. It shows you the total number on the scoreboard and whether you're winning or losing. It helps you find money to put toward your debt by cutting out subscriptions and unnecessary spending through its core features. It helps you create a budget so you know how much extra you can put towards a principal payment. So, while it absolutely lets you track all your liabilities in one place, its strength lies more in providing the big picture and helping you find the cash to tackle your debt, rather than building a prescriptive payoff strategy. If you're looking for an app to simply track your balances, monitor your overall net worth, and help you find ways to save money that can then be applied to your loans, Rocket Money's capabilities are a perfect fit. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.